Hello guys, welcome to another SMG tutorial video. In today's video, we want to learn how to make passive income from unused funds on centralized exchanges. So say you have some funds in your centralized exchange wallet and you do not have any intention to use them in no time. Instead of having your funds just laid down in your wallet doing nothing, right? Your funds can actually earn you income. So how this works is you kind of like stake your funds, but it's not actually staking. Like technically it's not staking. It's more like you're saving. So think about a traditional bank where you save your money in the bank and then the bank pays you interest for the money that you have saved in your account, right? So that's exactly how it works. So it's more like you're not really staking, you're just saving your funds, right, in like a bank, and then you get to be paid interest. This service is available in most, centralized exchanges. In Binance, this service is called Simple Earn. So this tutorial is going to be in series. We're going to use several exchanges. Today's tutorial I'll be using Binance, and in subsequent, series, we will be using other exchanges to explore this service. Alright guys, so let's dive right into the tutorial. So we're going to open Binance. Alright guys, so we're in Binance. So first thing is you want to go over to your wallets. Let's go to wallet. If you want to use a Simple Earn service, your funds have to be in your spot wallet. So if your funds are not in your spot wallet for whatever reason, do ensure to just transfer from wherever they are to your spot wallet. But by default, your funds are usually in your spot wallet. Alright guys, so I think that's clear enough. Let's go over to the main business. Now let's go to home and then we'll select more. Okay, so we already have Simple Earn here in recommend section, but in case you don't find it here, you can go down to this section, the earn section, and then you should find it, right? So let's tap. Alright guys, so real quick, I'm just going to pull you through how it works. So these are all the products that are available for this service. By products, I mean all the tokens that are available, for staking. Okay, so this is a search box where you can search the token that you want to stake. These tokens are categorized into two sections. So we have the flexible section and then we have the locked section. Before we dive into that, right, looking over here, right, this is estimated APR. It means estimated annual percentage rate. Alright, so this explains all of these green numbers in percentage. This is the percentage rewards. This is the percentage interest that you earn for the funds that you provide. So say you provided USDT, yeah, you get 3.62% of the USDT that you're providing. Before you get too excited, please be informed that this is annual, like it's an annual percentage rate, right? So it's not like monthly or daily, it's a yearly percentage reward. Okay, but your reward is actually disbursed to you on daily basis. What this means is whatever amount of token of USDT that you provide, it is calculated and it is divided into 365 days, and on daily basis you are paid. So how you actually earn the most from this service is if you have a lot of funds. The more funds you throw here, the more you earn. So I said we have two categories, right? So let me quickly explain. So with flexible, after that you've staked your fund, you're free to unstake your fund at any time, right? Your funds are available whenever you need them. You can just unstake. I think I would recommend this for people who just have funds in their wallet and can't really tell when they will make use of their funds, right? They can just, throw it here, and whenever the need for the funds arise, they can unstake. Okay, so for locked, there is a defined lock period. So you cannot unstake your fund until this period is over. And probably if you must you might end up losing your rewards, right? So let's go back to flexible. So let's say we've decided to go for USDT. Okay guys, so it's pretty straightforward. Just impute the amount of USDT that you want to lock. Okay, so you can see over here, I have my daily estimated rewards. So on a daily basis, this is like the estimate of what I'll be earning as long as my 0.2 USDT is locked. So over here we have auto subscribe. Once it is turned on, you're actually allowing automatic subscription to this service. So it means that every day Binance will subscribe all the balance of your spot wallet to this service, saving you the stress of coming to manually subscribe on daily basis. Okay, so once you're done guys, the next thing is to agree to this. You can go ahead to read it if you want to. So I'm just going to check this and confirm. We have successfully staked our 0.2 USDT. All right, so once you're subscribed, you can go to your wallet, and in your wallet, this is where your earnings will be deposited in your Earn wallet. And here it shows the details of the subscription, right? You can add to your subscription if you want to. Say you have more money, more USDT to, to stake. You can go ahead, and you can also redeem. You can redeem the money that you have subscribed. This is where you cancel your subscription. Okay guys, so it's that simple and straightforward. Alright guys, thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope that the tutorial was helpful. Please do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section, and of course subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.